Our environmental teaching space is broken up into two areas. There's the workspace of the classroom, where students are able to work on different projects, like a composter that they're making out of old Remax signs there, painting the backboard for a terrarium, working in the moss terrarium down below. And then the upstairs part of the room is the more traditional space where the desks are at for instruction, and then this computer space that's here for individual student projects. We have a couple of students that are working on a simulation game on how to go and design a city with alternative energy. We have other people working on a bird identification chart and also on levels of government assignment for civic.
We'll go out and clean the shoreline up and just impact the environment. We do a lot of tree planting and cool stuff like that, and it really gives us responsibility and gives us a lot of leadership because we have to learn how to lead people. We have a bunch of younger schools come and we show them about the environment and teach them different stuff that they didn't really know. A lot of composting and stuff.
We take out stuff like oranges and we don't put them into the worm bin because it will kill the worms and they'll disintegrate. So we put these into the outdoor compost bins so the other insects can eat it and the worm. Because citrus fruits have acids in them and the acid will disintegrate their body.
And stuff, and we find a lot of different ways to help the environment.
Alright, so these are modular carpets. They're made of other carpets. So if you spill something, you can just rip out a piece of the carpet instead of ripping out the whole thing, which is amazing because it saves a lot of money and a lot of work.
And it's a lot more that we're doing it and taking the initiative to go do it ourselves.
Okay, so these floors are made out of recycled cement, making them very environmental. We just vacuum it and put water on, use no chemicals to clean these floors every year.
Okay, so at our school we have neutron light dimmers right up there. And what they do is that they send the light from outside, and they accord the light to how much power they need to use. So as you can see today, it's not a very bright day out though. These lights are using less electricity than those lights over down there.
This is our cistern. Well, it's over there, but of it. This here is a rainwater collector. It collects all the rainwater off the roof and then sends it down into that cistern, and we use it to like for our toilets.
The white roof that's here is a very key but subtle environmental feature. The reflectivity of the roof goes and reduces the cooling load during the summer by reflecting the heat and sunlight up off the building. There's a little weather station that's up here that allows us to record data like temperature, wind speed, humidity, etc., and also gives us data on the solar panels. This is one of our main environmental features. It's a high efficiency HVAC unit, heating and air conditioning unit. It works so that it is much more efficient than your standard older models that we used to have, and they can also work on different cycles. So you have the main vents that are down here. Only one vent is working right now. The other three can work as a higher amount of either air conditioning or heating needs to be produced.
These are the transformer things that take the solar energy, turn into an electrical current, so we can use it through the school.